Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel for a really exciting video. Welcome to my new home. This is going to be an empty house tour. I am so excited to share this with you. I have a fly in the house somewhere already. We just signed on this bad boy today. It is officially ours, and I wanted to share the house with you before we even put anything in it, so then I can show you the process as we unpack and we make this house a home. I had a really hard time getting the lighting right because we do have a lot of natural light in here, and we're at that time of the day where it starts to get a little bit strange. Shadows keep coming in and out. So the camera was a little bit confused, but I think you'll get the right idea. So without further ado, welcome to our new home. All right, so we're gonna take a step into the front door, and then right away we have this little ledge here, which I think is great for a decoration of some kind, this little like decorative nook. I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do with it yet. Close the door, and then immediately to our right, you see several other doors. This leads to an unfinished basement, which I'll show you in a second. Over here, we have the little guest powder room. There's a sink, there's a toilet behind over there. Super simple and plain, but very convenient to have. And then we have the first floor laundry. This is the door to our garage, which I'm super stoked about. Oh, my husband left the garage door open. That's really bright. Only a couple steps to get me up in there, which will be great compared to having to haul groceries and stuff upstairs and in elevators and whatnot. So that's a game changer. Then, like I said, we have first floor laundry, which is great. And then the coat closet is actually hanging out here in the laundry room, which is kind of an odd place for it, but not so bad because this is where we're going to go for our coats anyway, because we will leave out the garage. Then we walk into the main area of the home. So starting over here is our kitchen. It's beautiful, love the backsplash. Funnily enough, the refrigerator is the same refrigerator we had at our condo. Let's take you for a stroll here. What's really nifty, are you guys ready for this? All of these cabinets have pull-out drawers on the bottom. So I can pull out instead of having to bend down and get on the floor and dig for things, which is incredible. It's the backsplash. And I have a kitchen window! I've never had a kitchen window before, guys. So excited. And then we move into the living room. It's really hard for me to figure out the lighting, but this is the living room. Two-story living room. Lots of windows, lots of color. Really love it. Then, this is obviously the highlight right here. So we're gonna mount our big screen TV. We've got a gas fireplace. Guys, I'm elated about the gas fireplace. I've wanted a fireplace for so long, and I'm so excited to have one that burns with a flip of a switch. I can't even wait. Now, I need your guys' help. What do I do with those? So this one is going to have like our consoles and stuff, because you can see the wiring, but everything else is up for decoration suggestions. So seriously, what do I do with these giant built-ins? Like, they're huge and they're deep, and I'm not quite sure what to do with them. I keep joking that we should make that Gracie's little hideout, but I'm not entirely sure what to do. But that's this is our main living space. And then I also feel like I have to make sure I show you our little back patio. Isn't it so cute? It's perfect for a grill and my patio furniture, and there's no gate or anything, so if we put Gracie out here, we're gonna have to like tie her to one of the things, but it's gorgeous. Perfect little place. I apologize for the choppiness, but I keep having to change the lighting. So, this was one of the big sells, you guys. The master bedroom is on the first floor as well. So this is the master. This is not the largest bedroom in the house, but it will make do just fine. We have the master bedroom that goes right into the master bathroom that has double sinks. We each get a set of drawers and a cabinet. We have a step-in shower, which for me was also important. So this is actually a very disability-friendly place for me because all of my options are on the first floor. I have a step-in shower, The bedroom is on the first floor. The laundry is on the first floor. Amazing. And then we have a nice little soaking tub here that has like a built-in backrest. Do you see that? How cool is that? And then you have to walk through the bathroom to get to our poorly lit closet. Here we go. So we got the closet, and then there's also extra hanging behind the door there, and that's the bedroom, closet, bathroom, etc. So that's the master suite right off of the main living area in the kitchen. So if I don't feel like going upstairs one day, if I'm sick and don't want to work or something, I can function fully and completely on the first floor, which is amazing. But now, let's go up the stairs. Here's the view from upstairs. So first, this loft, which is huge. It's a giant loft. This is my husband's man cave, for lack of a better term. He's gonna set up his other big screen TV up here, all of his video game systems, and put out his nerdy memorabilia. And this is going to be his space. It's very big, and it's just beautiful. I really love this loft so much. And you can look down. Hello, look down on the living room. Keep an eye on Gracie. We can also put decorations up there. Oh man, so exciting. So then, straight off of the stairs, this, my friends, is Diva and the Divine HQ 2.0. This is my office, the biggest bedroom in the house. And I'm so excited to decorate this. Obviously, it's nothing exciting to see right now. Fully functional closet, much larger than my old office. Beautiful window for lighting. I can't wait to show you guys the completed product of this. So that's gonna be Diva and the Divine HQ. And then over here, we have just your basic linen closet. Run-of-the-mill linen closet, no problem. In here, this is our second floor bathroom. Hello, hello. And what I like about this is it has the, what do you call it? The John room, where the toilet is separate from the functional part of it. I love it, love it. So that's the guest bath. And then as we keep walking here, we also have this little nook here, and this is actually where my piano is going to go. So we're going to put the piano up against this wall so it's not against the vent, and I'm gonna get like a little bookshelf and maybe a chair in case I end up with a student sometime, but all my music will go up here, my piano will go up here, and this will be my little musical nook. Broadway posters will hang on the wall. Super exciting. And then in here is the guest bedroom. We finally have a guest bedroom to offer people and a way to get that mattress that's been living in our dining room out of the dining room and actually being used, which is amazing. So this is going to be the place that our queen size mattress goes in, our queen size bed. The whole bed is going in here. One of our dressers is going in here, and my husband is going to put a little desk in here, and this is going to be his office for when he needs to work at home and needs a closed door. So multifunctional room, primarily the guest bedroom. So excited to have this, so when we have people visit, we actually have a bed to put them on. It's going to be so very exciting. So that is our whole place. I'm gonna go ahead and take you down and show you the basement. So this is terribly unexciting. I just came down the flight of stairs and walked through here, but this is our completely unfinished basement, which means if we ever wanted to finish it in the future, we could do that and have an entirely separate living space. This basement is very generously sized. All of our, the heater, the water softener, all that is set up there. We also have the makings for where we can put a toilet down here, so there can be another bathroom. There is so much that we can do with this space, but only time will determine whether or not we actually decide to finish it. But for now, it is going to be ample storage space and pantry space because we do not have a pantry. So we're gonna get shelves for somewhere over here or something. And I'm sorry the camera won't focus on it, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna get shelves and storage and stuff so this can be my functioning pantry and storage and all of that jazz. And that's it. That's our entire house. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you're looking forward to seeing how this house turns out as we work to make it a home, decorate it, move in, get comfortable, and I'm so excited to share all of that with you. If you like videos like this, home-related, moving, housewifey-related videos, please give this a thumbs up. And as always, I'd love to have you as a part of the Diva and the Divine community, so don't forget to hit that little red subscribe button down there and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload something new. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch. Welcome to my new home. I'm so happy you're here, and I will see you next time. Bye!